Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about what we believe is the best wireless presenter laser pointer with a USB receiver on the market. The Logitech Wireless Presenter R800. Let's dive right in. When you're giving a presentation, control and confidence matter most, and that's exactly what the Logitech R800 brings to the table. At first glance, it may look like a standard remote, but under the hood, it's a powerful tool designed to elevate any PowerPoint or keynote presentation. The R800 features a built-in Class 2 green laser pointer. Because green lasers are significantly more visible than red ones, especially in bright rooms or on LCD, LED screens. That means even if you're presenting in a well-lit auditorium, your audience will clearly see what you're pointing to. It's a small touch that makes a big difference. Another standout feature is the wireless range. With up to 100 feet of reliable connectivity thanks to 2.4 GHz RF wireless technology, you're free to move around the room. Whether you're walking the stage, engaging with your audience, or stepping back to let a video play, the R800 keeps you connected and in control. The remote has intuitive touch keys for easy navigation. Forward, backward, start, stop, all right at your fingertips. These buttons are soft to the touch, perfectly spaced, and responsive, so you don't need to look down or second guess. You'll stay focused on your delivery, not your device. One of the most practical features is the onboard LCD display. This screen gives you real-time feedback, including a timer, battery status, and wireless reception. The built-in timer is particularly useful. You can set it to count down silently, and the R800 will vibrate when your time is almost up. That gentle buzz ensures you stay on schedule without needing to glance at a clock or phone. Now, let's talk compatibility and setup. This clicker works with any system that accepts standard USB input. That includes Windows and macOS platforms. And the best part? No software installation is required. You simply plug in the USB receiver, and you're good to go. When you're done, the USB receiver docks neatly into the remote's body, making it super portable and easy to store. It's powered by AAA batteries. No need for any fancy or hard-to-find charging methods. Logitech recommends using Polaroid AAA batteries for best performance, but any high-quality battery will work just fine. In terms of build quality, the R800 lives up to Logitech's reputation. It feels solid in hand, not too heavy, and the rubberized finish gives it a comfortable grip. It's designed to be functional and durable, whether you're using it in classrooms, boardrooms, or conference centers. If you're someone who gives presentations often, whether you're a teacher, manager, speaker, or student, the R800 can be a game changer. It brings together all the essential features: precise laser pointer, intuitive controls, excellent range, and real-time feedback, all in one sleek package. That wraps up today's breakdown of the Logitech Wireless Presenter R800. It's functional, reliable, and incredibly presenter-friendly. The best wireless presenter with a laser pointer and USB receiver that you can get your hands on. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Product Critique, where we bring you honest, detailed reviews to help you choose the tech that works best for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.